Nuclear power has experienced a revival in the past couple of years as countries look to combat climate change with low-carbon energy solutions. Roughly 60 nuclear reactors are under construction globally, and a further 110 are planned. A series of processes, including mining, conversion, and enrichment, transforms uranium ore into usable nuclear fuel for reactors. Demand for uranium is predicted to reach 130,000 tonnes by 2040. But as demand rises, supply may be tightening for the West. Uranium ore prices are significantly higher than they were 5 years ago. Meanwhile, the price of processed uranium has surged even faster since the start of 2022, when Russia invaded Ukraine. Russia controls 22% of global uranium conversion capacity and 44% of enrichment capacity. Those services are out of bounds for some Western utilities, following a US ban on Russian uranium, although waivers are allowed until the end of 2027. Meanwhile, Vladimir Putin has committed to restrictions on exports of enriched uranium. In the West, France, the US, and Canada are home to large-scale conversion sites. So far, though, no one has committed to building new conversion capacity in what could be a chicken and egg situation. Power plant operators may be reluctant to sign long-term supply agreements unless the conversion facilities are being built, while suppliers balk at making big investments without such deals to underwrite them. The supply situation for uranium ore may also be worsening for the West. Kazakhstan produces 43% of the world's uranium, but most analysts forecast Kazakhstan's output will flow increasingly to Russia and China in the future. One reason is an increase in long-term deals to supply China. Another is that shipping material to the West on the traditional route via St. Petersburg is no longer an option because of sanctions risk. Alternative routes, such as one crossing the Caspian Sea, Azerbaijan and Georgia, are more expensive and constrained by a lack of infrastructure. The West is starting to boost its own supply. At least 10 uranium mines have reopened in the US, Canada and Australia since 2022. But despite that, production is forecast to stay below global reactor requirements from now to 2030 and beyond. Uranium markets could soon face a new era of scarcity.